Whole time I wasn't even recording. Oh my goodness. That sucks. There we go. Now we are. That's it, Pete. That's it, Strawberry. Let's go, Joe. Strong arms, Joe. Good, Joe. That's it, Chips. There you go. That's it, Bally. Let's go, Delight. Come on, David. That's it, J-Vic and Tigers. Nice and low there, Dirt. There you go, Barry. There you go. Check that, Dirty Bird. Good, good, good. Let's go, Brett. Let's go, Delight. There you go, Ross. There you go, Karen. That's the Chips. Take that, Chips. There you go, Chips. That's the Dirt. Let's go, Pete. That's it, GG. There you go, David. Push those hips back a little bit, David. There we go. Sit right into it. There we go, number 2. There you go, Chips. Good. That's it, J-Vic. There you go, Tigers. Have to get that good extension, Tigers. That's it, Dirt. All right, let's go, K2. Get a good stance. Don't bunch yourself up. There you go, nice and strong. There you go, drive through those heels. That's it, Pete. Try to get down a little lower, Pete. All right, what you got, Gigi? That's it, David. Let's go, Ross. That's it, Dirt. There you go, Dirty Bird. Good, 11:32.